We all run an assortment of validation checks before we sign off on a design, but there's no worse feeling than when you think your design is done only to discover errors that you need to fix. Late-stage design changes can have a domino effect, making it almost feel like you're starting over. By running design for manufacturing checks in real time while you design, you can finally break out of the find, fix, reiterate cycle so you can get your design done right the first time. There are over 200 configurable checks always running in Nordcad while you design, giving you instantaneous visual feedback so you can eliminate manufacturability issues before they become a problem. Lots of manufacturability problems are hard to see in the design, like, for example, a trace going through a test point opening in the solder mask. When attempting to route a trace through the opening, you'll see a DRC error instantly highlighting the issue. Mouse over the DRC marker to see more details about the rule violation in a heads-up display. Check it out in 3D too to get a better look at the issue. By checking for DFM issues while you design in real time, you'll get your designs done faster and have less stress at sign-off.